Hi, I'm the vet of Nazareth. I've been a digital marketing industry expert for the last 20 years now, and I'm here to help small businesses like yourself grow and harness the power of email marketing. In this video, I'm going to first brush upon what exactly is email marketing and what kind of advantages it can bring for your business. The main focus of making this video is to guide small business owners like yourself how you can use your time in hand wisely to create some amazing email marketing campaigns. Now, there's a lot of work that goes into creating videos like this, but it's what I love doing, and to help me keep motivated to create such more videos for you, entrepreneurs and small business owners out there, please like this video and comment with your feedback and testimonials. And if you would like some more content like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the little red bell to be notified of new videos as they are published. Now, email marketing in Dubai is incredibly common and is currently being utilized by numerous organizations worldwide to produce and generate leads. If you are a business owner and don't know how to start with email marketing and what kind of email marketing services you can opt for, no need to worry. I am going to give you a breakdown of the various email marketing services that exist, and you can choose one that you would feel more comfortable and that would work for your business. All right. Now, the first type of emails that you can look at are the welcome emails. Now, the first impression is the last impression, and a welcome emailer is the best way of compelling a first good impression on your customer or subscriber. You are welcoming a new user into your virtual business world, and therefore this email should have the tone of your brand's voice. It should be easy to understand and easy to read. All right. The second type of newsletter you can use is what I was talking about, newsletters. Newsletters make up 83% of all the email marketing strategies. Newsletters are basically emailers that follow a stipulated time and schedule. Now, the content in a newsletter could be from your blog or from your website or from any other third-party RSS feeds. It's very important to have a newsletter to show upcoming events and news releases from your company. If you're a new company, then definitely you would have a lot of new product announcements. Let your existing customers know when you have a new product, service, or offering. Since they are already an existing customer, they are more likely to make a repurchase and help you along with your growth. Now, if you're already an existing customer, then testimonial emails are very, very important and are very powerful, as hearing and seeing what your company has done for other clients in the past can build a sense of trust and provide proof of the business offerings that you provide. While using testimonials, please bear in mind that the end goal is for the customer to learn more about your company and therefore focus more on the customer's perspective rather than talking about yourself. Now, a bonus tip: always include a case study for greater impact in your newsletters. Prism always creates amazing case studies with their clients when we are done and we have finished some good work for them. Survey emails are also fantastic to revamp your service, product, or service offering. Now, in the low season, survey emails can be proving to be a massive success. Say, for example, this is a great way for you to get feedback from your customers for all the work that you've done and learn from their customer experience how to improve your service. Standalone emails. Now, this type of mailer is actually sent across when you want the receiver to take a particular kind of action. These are emailers containing a single topic or a standalone message. Standalone emails help capture the reader's attention and therefore always make sure to make a strong call to action. Bonus tip: remember, the call to action should always be in the center of your email body copy to grab the attention of the viewer. Transactional emails work best for B2B or e-commerce companies. They have a 10 times more open rate than any other email address, and these emails are sent in order to communicate important information during the customer buying cycle. Therefore, if you feel that your business fits into this category, please make use of transactional emailers. Now, when you're using transactional emailers, always use a CTA or call to action like track your order, and that has to be in the header of the email. That will help you convert. But before we go ahead, if you like this content that I put out, please go ahead and like the video. So I'm motivated to create more such amazing content for you, and you give the message to YouTube and to Google about the good work that we're putting out there. Now, since you've had a fair idea on what is email marketing and what are the various types of emails you can use, let me take you through a systematic 8-step process that you can use email marketing to generate leads for your business, because that's what we're here for, isn't it? Always, number one, get your customers' permission. In order to send emails to your target audience, you will need to get their email address. In other words, their permission. To get hold of their email addresses, here are a few things you can do. Add a pop-up form on your website landing page and ask them to fill it. This will ensure that you keep their email addresses and you can send promotional material to them on and on. If they do it, you can also consider that they are open to hearing from you in the future, which is a good sign, which promises future conversions. Maybe they won't buy your stuff now, but in the future you could convince them. Remember to always offer something special. Now, you never would open an email that would give you the same boring information again and again, wouldn't you? So you need to send something that says something is amazing, that gives value to your customers. You need to offer something special to them. It could be an exclusive offer, a freebie, a discount, or an early bird price. Anything that makes them understand that they are getting a better deal from you just by opening that email. Now, don't get overexcited and just clutter the email with 10,000 offers. Many e-commerce retailers make that a similar mistake and suffer for it. There are only so much that people can take when it comes to the internet, and by adding too much in your email copy and too many offers in one email, you can lose the attention span of your target audience. Above everything else, you can also get your audience confused. Number 4, remember to make it short and to the point. It's not worth jumping around the bush. You might get them to open your emails with your catchy headline, but if your content is too long or boring, they would definitely bounce after reading the first 3 sentences. Don't be afraid to sound too straight to the point. In most of the cases, people will actually thank you for it and leave a like on your website or comment. So make sure what you say is relevant and leave your contact details in case they want further information. Now, your subject line is very, very important. You need to work on your subject line. Your subject line is crucial to the success of that email you're sending out. It will not be of any use if you create an amazing email, but nobody, clicks it or reads it. Remember, it should be intriguing enough without sounding too immature and should appeal to something that your target audience needs at that moment. Now, timing is very important for email marketing. So find the best time to send your emails. You most probably already have a list of statistics say that what time and day of the week is best for you to send your emails. But think about this. Other business owners are also referring to the same statistics. Chances are your competitors are doing so too. Hence, depending on your target audience habits, maybe you should try and explore an unconventional schedule to see how it works for you. Optimize for mobile screens. If there are more than 60 emails opened out of 100, chances are those 60 emails have been on mobiles. There are more emails opened on smartphones nowadays than on desktops. So remember to optimize your email for mobile, especially all the screen sizes on mobiles and tablets. Check to see how it appears on mobile devices in terms of font size, call to action button size, image size, etc. If you have a video, it's even more important. Now, the last is to add a backlink from your email into your landing page. In my opinion, it's the best way to provide a backlink to a landing page, as emails are more suitable to trigger conversations and conversions on your landing page. So a landing page can only have so much information, but when you have a backlink to your website, it's often advised that your website has more sections and you can give more information out about your company or your blogs. And this will take away the distraction, which may or may not help your audience to take the action specifically that you want to trigger. Now, we are reaching the end of this video, and as I promised you at the start, I'll explain and show you how exactly you can design your emails in order to convert your email marketing strategy into a lead generation strategy. Okay, so when developing email marketing strategies, focus on generating leads. There are few design and copywriting elements that marketers should be mindful of. First of all, focus on the subject line. The subject line is how your leads determine if they are going to read your email or not. So spend time on thinking about ways you can improve your subject line. Here are some tips for great subject lines. Attend a free webinar, download our ebook, get a free all-inclusive blah blah blah, so on and so forth. Remember, second point is to remember to keep it short and sweet. Leads and prospects are bombarded with massive amounts of emails every day, so keep your emails concise and engaging. It's very important to use images. Did you know that the brain comprehends images 60,000 times faster than text? So make use of creative images or add minimal text on images to quickly deliver your message across to your target audience. Social media network integration is fantastic. You always want your business to be known by the social media that you have. So integration of social media links onto your emailer can facilitate brand awareness. You can insert engaging platforms, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, so readers can share your emailer content and immediately share them with their social media platforms. Finally, it comes down to call to action buttons. Whenever you are sending an email, always make sure to educate them about your business and service offerings, but put a call to action there. That takes your readers to the next step of reading your emails. So in your email, you need to effectively advertise your call to action. Use action words like attend, download, register, read more, shop more, or even try now. Now, if you need help with kickstarting your own email campaign, comment below or WhatsApp me directly on 055 850095, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. I hope by now you have understood how you can start an emailer campaign and in turn generate leads for your business. So if you like the content that I put out, please like and share this video with others who can learn and benefit from it. Until then, remember to treat your potential clients as customers and not just mere email addresses. Keep on providing value to all of them with every email that you send out. So thanks for watching this video.